Hey traders, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to place pending orders on DXtrade. Let's get started. First, let's navigate to the watch list. Here you can see all the instruments available for trading. Select the instrument you wish to trade. Click on either the sell or buy button, and the order window will pop up. Let's talk about the order type. Here you can select the type of pending order you want to place. If you're looking to set a buy limit or sell limit, choose limit from the dropdown. If you're setting a buy stop or sell stop, select stop. Remember the basics. Sell limit and buy stop are set above the market price. Buy limit and sell stop are set below the market price. Let's say we're setting up a buy limit. Enter the lot size you wish to trade. Here you can adjust the value of the buy limit by using these icons or by entering the specific price. Additionally, you can adjust the order duration to match your trading strategy here. Once you're all set, click on Send Order. And that's it. Your limit order is now placed. You'll receive a notification in the top right corner confirming that the order has been placed. Here's an important point. If one-click trading is enabled, the trade will be executed right away when you click the buy or sell button in the watch list without any pop-up window. But don't worry, we've got you covered if one-click trading is enabled. You can place a pending order directly from the chart. Open the chart window for the instrument you wish to trade. Right-click on the chart and set up the pending order. Alternatively, simply navigate to a specific price and click on the plus icon, and you'll get the option to set the pending order. Click on the particular limit or stop. Just like before, the order window will pop up. Adjust the order according to your trading strategy, click Send Order, and you're all set. The order is placed, and you're ready to go. To check your order, navigate to the bottom of the platform and go to the Orders tab. And there it is, your pending order, ready and waiting. And that's how you place pending orders on the DXtrade. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.